Considered selling your home, but not sure if the timing is right? Let's explore why today's market might be the ideal moment for sellers like you. Recent data reveals a 15.6% increase in the homes for sale compared to last year, yet we're still facing a 40% shortfall from the bustling market of 2019. Now, this unique situation creates a sweet spot for sellers. So firstly, the growing inventory means more choices for your next move. It's an encouraging sign for those hesitating to sell due to concerns over finding their next home. And secondly, even with more homes available now, the market hasn't fully rebounded to the pre-pandemic levels. This means less competition for you and potentially a quicker sale at a great price. Bottom line, now is a promising time for homeowners looking to sell. With more options for your next purchase and favorable market conditions, it could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. If you're ready to take advantage of today's market, let's connect. Together we can make your next move a success.